Adobe Express makes it easy to create polished, on-brand presentations without needing presentation software or design experience. In this video, you'll learn how to start a presentation, apply your brand, customize slides, add motion and media, and share or present your deck. Open Adobe Express and select Presentations. Choose a template that fits your message, or start with a blank deck if you already know your structure. You can also upload an existing design, like a PowerPoint or a PDF. Or, if you want to move faster, use Generate Presentation. You can start with a topic, a website, or existing files like PDFs or Word docs. And Adobe Express builds a structured multi-slide deck for you. From there, you can apply your brand kit to keep everything on brand, customize the design, or enhance slides with Adobe's stock assets and animations, without starting from scratch. When you click Apply Brand, your fonts, colors, and logos carry across every slide. This keeps your presentation consistent, even as you customize layout and content. Replace placeholder text and images using your brand assets, Adobe Stock, or your uploads. Crop images to refine visuals. Adjust the layout using guides and alignment controls, which come in very handy. Remove backgrounds in one click. You can also add video clips or record a video message directly in Express to enrich your slides. Use the animation panel to bring emphasis to important elements. You can animate text, like this, or graphics, photos, choosing the style, speed, and duration. Or animate all in one click. This helps your message land in a more dynamic way, especially when presenting live. When your presentation is ready, select Present Full Screen to deliver it directly from Express, no exporting required. You can even open Presenter mode if you've got a second screen, with presenter notes and a timer to stay on track. You can also download your slides or share the deck for feedback or collaboration. With branded templates, easy editing tools, animations, and built-in presentation mode, Adobe Express gives teams a simple way to create high-impact presentations without ever leaving the browser.